Yeah, good day guys. So in this tutorial we'll be learning how to create our custom audience. Why do you need custom audience for your business? You need custom audience for you to retarget. When we talk about custom audience, what do you mean by custom audience? Custom audience are those that have visited your website. They are those that have taken action on your website. Let's say for example, you have a landing page that is displaying some products, or you are into digital marketing, you have a landing page that is displaying your services. So those that have visited that landing page are those that have visited your website, or those that have visited any part of your website are those that have visited your website. So those people are called custom audience. In case you want to retarget those kind of people again, in case you want to retarget those set of people again, that is why you need custom audience. And also, why do you need custom audience? You need custom audience if you want to target look alike. Yes, those that look like those people that have visited your website before. When we talk about look alike audience, they are the kind of people that have the characteristics of those that have visited your website before. That is the reason you need look alike audience. So for you to have a look alike audience, you need a custom audience. Are you getting me? So in this tutorial, I'll be learning how to set up our custom audience. That is for you to retarget those set of people. And when you are running a conversion campaign that you are using custom audience, yes, you need look-alike. So in this kind of custom audience, when you run a retarget ad campaign, it will cut your costs. Let's say for example now, per link click is $2 or $1 or 50 cents. Let's take 50 cents for example now, and you are now running a custom audience. Custom audience might cut it down, might cut it to 25 cents per link click. You understand? So if the conversion is like $1 per conversion, custom audience advert will cut it down to 50 cents per conversion. So one advantage of custom audience is that number one, it cuts your cost. Number two, you retarget those that look like those people that have visited your website and they have taken action before. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it, how to create our custom audience. So the first thing to do is to go to these three lines, click on it, and once it opens you can see the section audiences. So click on audiences, it will open, and once it opens you can now create your custom audience. And for you to run a conversion ad campaign that looks like those people that has visited a website, you need to create a custom audience. So once it's open, you come to where create audience. You can see create audience here. Click on create audience, and once you click on it you go to custom audience, you click on custom audience. All right, so once you click on custom audience, you can see we have website, we have customer list, we have app activity, offline activity catalog, then we have meta sources here. So let me quickly run through all of this. Now let's look at custom audience. Websites, you can create a custom audience of websites. When we say website, it means those people that have visited your website. So when you create a custom audience and you are retargeting, you can retarget the set of people that have visited your website before. That is for website. Then when we talk about customer list, we are talking now, let's say people have taken action in your website, you now have their details, you have their name, their phone numbers, and their email. So this list that you've compiled in your email will be converted to txt file, and once they are converted to txt file, you can now upload it. So you can now upload it to your custom audience. So those are the kind of people that you are telling Facebook that they should help you retarget. Then when we talk about app activity, we are talking about people that have visited your app before, people that have taken action, or they visited your app, they viewed it, they've downloaded it. That is app activity custom audience. Then when we talk about offline activity, we are talking about those that have patronized you physically. So when we talk about catalog, those that have visited your online catalog, now that is under your sources. Those that have visited your website, your customer list, your app activity, your offline, your catalog. Now let's go to meta sources. Now custom audience for meta sources. We have video, we have lead form, we have instant experiences. Let me just take few of them. Now let's go to video. Now let's say you are running a conversion ad campaign and you use a video. Now those that have interacted with your video, if you want to target those kind of people again, those set of people again, those that have engaged with your video when you run the ad, those ones are video custom audience. Then when we talk about Instagram accounts, those that have messaged you on Instagram, those that have messaged you, they've called you, they've tagged you, they've liked your post on Instagram. Then when we talk about lead form, those that fill the form, they fill the form on your Facebook adverts. So those ones are meta sources, and so on and so forth, like that. Those that shopping, those that have shopped on your Facebook page, through your Facebook page before. So those are custom audience on meta sources. But with this tutorial now, I'll be going with website. So let's click on website. Now once you click on website, then you click on next. And once you click on next, it will come up. So you can see here now the pixel you choose, the pixel you are using is very important. Okay, now it's writing source. What's the source? Source is talking about the pixel that you've installed on your ad account. Which of the pixels are you using for this custom audience? Now take note of this important message. Take note. If you are running a conversion ad campaign with a particular pixel for the first time, don't run custom audience. You don't need custom audience, because if you are running a pixel, if you are using a pixel that has not gathered enough informations, custom audience might not be able to create in your ad account. So your pixel should have gathered informations. You should have gotten like 10,000 web visitors, 10 through your pixel. Yeah, 5,000 web visitors through your pixel. So with that, your pixel would have had enough power. So when you want to retarget, you can retarget those kind of people. So imagine your pixel has just gotten information of 1,500 number of people. Those data, that audience, that size of audience is too small for you to create a custom audience. You understand? So when you have like 10,000 web visitors, 20,000 web visitors, then your pixel has gathered enough data, then you can run your custom audience. So I'm choosing a particular pixel here, which is GitTech Digital. Then the events, all websites. So you can choose all website visitors, people who visited specific web pages. So if you're having a landing page, you can just click people who visited web pages. So you put the link. So first of all, you can just click like this. Then there will be a section like this section now. This section here is where you put the link for that landing page. You just paste the link there, then you run. Then so for now, I'll be going with all website visitors. Then retention, that is those that have visited your website in the last 30 days, in the last 90 days, in the last 180 days. So now if you've been running the Facebook advert for like a year ago, 6 months ago, then you can put it for 180 days. But if it's something recent, maybe 2 months ago or a month ago, you can leave it at 30 days. So retention, as for me, I will put it at 180 days. That is the retention. Then if you want to include more people, you can include more people. If you want to exclude more people, you can. Then you can give your audience name. This kind of custom audience, what name do you want to give it? So I can give it, let's say I've run a conversion campaign, a conversion ad campaign, and to my service page on digital marketing. Now if I want to give this audience name, I can give it digital. I can give it digital marketing. Don't forget digital marketing audience. Then I can put website so that to know that, wow, this audience, website custom audience, website digital marketing audience. Then you can give it a description. These are the people that have visited my website. These are the people that have visited visited my website. I can just give it like that. Then I will go to create audience. I can now create my audience. Do you understand it? Now custom audience has been created. So if you want to create a lookalike audience, you can now go ahead and create a lookalike audience. Don't forget to subscribe to this. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. In the next tutorial, I will be sharing how you can create a lookalike audience. What are the things you need to put in place for you to create a lookalike audience? When should you create a lookalike audience in order for you to benefit more from Facebook, so that you won't just be wasting your adverts on conversion ad campaign? Yeah, so hit the subscribe button, hit the notification, and if you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section and I will do well to respond to all your messages. This is GitTech Digital. So I will be dropping the link of conversion ad campaign, how to verify your domain in your Facebook ad account, how to set up your pixel, and how to set up the event tool. These are tutorials. If you go to my channel, you will see all this tutorial available there. So I'll be dropping the link in the description below. So don't forget, the major reason for you to create custom audience is to retarget those kind of people that have visited your web page before. You retarget those kind of people, or you want to create a lookalike audience that looks like those kind of people that have visited your web page before. And custom audience is very, very effective than any other kind of audience. Okay, so see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.